Good morning. It is 4:55 in the morning. We're heading to the airport, so we got all our bags.
Morning.
We got our Castaway Club bag, and let's go to the airport. We're at the airport. We got our seats together because we're on standby. For those of you who don't know, I work for an airline, so we got our standby seats together. Who are you texting so early in the morning?
I know, right? My sister. She needs to know what time we're getting in.
Okay, so his sister and his nieces and nephews and brother-in-law are gonna meet us in Orlando. Going on the plane now. We got our own row seats. He's already watching his movies. You have all this leg room.
Can I see?
Anyways, we got our own row together, so that's... That was a great and short, quick flight. Now we're gonna go ahead to catch the Disney's Magical Express to go to our resort hotel. Orlando's gloomy. The Magical Express guy said my name right. He said Francesco. That makes me really happy. Because a lot of people usually call me Francisco, but that's not the correct way to say it. Alright guys, we are on Disney's Magical Express. We're gonna head to the hotel now. Somebody was freezing on the airplane.
Oh my god, I forgot my jacket. It's freezing everywhere. The bus, the airport.
Disney's Magical Express. Good morning and welcome to Florida.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's everybody doing?
Good.
Freezing.
Everybody excited?
Yes. We're here. Great news, you guys. Our hotel room is ready. We have a one-bedroom deluxe DVC villa here in Kidani Village. I've never stayed in a one-bedroom villa before.
Hello, I'm giving instructions to my sister. So.
All right, here it is. I'll let you do the honors. Ooh, nice. Check this out. A little table, a living room, the kitchen.
Oh wow, nice.
And over here by the entrance, we got a bathroom in there, and then again the kitchen, the living room. Oh, what's a view of? We have a view of. Oh, we might be able to see some animals. We have a long balcony. Check it out. It's pretty long. And I think this is over here is the bedroom. So let's go check out the bedroom, shall we? So in the bedroom, we have a king-size bed. Wow, this is pretty big. Oh my god, this is bigger than what it looked like online.
Oh my god, this is like another bedroom.
It's kind of dark in here. What the? Alright, so we got a walk-in shower. You can fit like 20 people in there.
Oh wow.
That's huge. And then this tub, you can fit like another 3 people in there. And then what do you have in there?
Closet.
A closet, vanity area. Alright guys, John's family's here. We are not going to show them the resort. We're going to get their expressions. Alright, ready to open the door for them?
Yeah.
You guys ready? What do you think? What do you think?
It's so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Let me get a view of the house. Oh, hi.
There's a strange man out in the balcony. He is painting.
This is so cute.
I feel like a Make-A-Wish kid.
Yeah.
Now come in here. Come into the bedroom. So look at the best part.
Wow.
So there's a bedroom.
Mickey Mouse.
And then the best part is actually the bathroom for some reason. I don't know why. I think the bathroom is like pretty awesome.
Why is it so deep?
You get to take a bubble bath.
When you guys stress me out, I'm gonna take a long bubble bath.
I call
and forget
first.
you.
I call first.
Oh my god, look at the light.
Isn't that cute?
Thank you.
Golly gee, I really love it here.
Yeah,
What do you think, Delilah?
I love it.
You love it? Are you happy you're gonna be able to sleep here?
Yeah.
That's so cool, right? Oh wow, this TV is super big. It's bigger than usual, I think.
Bigger than my forehead.
Oh, it is big.
All right, what do you guys think? So far, so good?
Yes, it's amazing. It's amazing.
Alright, so Magic Kingdom's open till 9 today, and a special ticketed event at Disney's Animal Kingdom, so it's only open till 8 p.m.
Oh, what is that?
So we should probably go to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, let's go to
but
Magic
it's also
Kingdom.
We are not ready to leave and head out to the park. We're going to Magic Kingdom today. Are you ready, Jacob?
Yeah.
Say hi to your mom.
Hi, Mom. I'm gonna flex on you.
You're gonna flex? What does that mean?
see it tonight with the fireworks.
This is so. I'm gonna cry.
So wait. Leanna, what were you? What happened just now?
I'm starstruck. I'm gonna cry. This is so nice.
Do it for the vlog.
It's so nice. I feel like a Make-A-Wish kid.
We're getting our first Mickey bars of the trip. First Mickey bar of the trip. Are you excited?
Thank you. Yes, I am.
This one is for Jacob.
Thank you.
What do you think, Delilah? Good? Yummy?
God.
Yummy?
Thank you.
Oh, you know I love these things.
On the cruise, you're gonna have more of those.
I am. I'm gonna pig out.
Are you ready?
Good?
So good.
So good?
He's got ice cream everywhere.
You just took one big bite.
All right, Delilah, we are now gonna do Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Are you scared?
Don't be scared. It's fun. What about you, Jacob? You excited for this ride?
Are you gonna close your eyes like you did Haunted Mansion?
No, not this time.
Not this time.
Cool.
Are you ready? Don't be scared.
Is it a fast ride?
It's a small drop. Small. Uh-oh, we're stuck.
Now don't you worry, just stay seated and we'll get things fixed up right away.
Oh, great.
Oh, yes. We're stuck. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's coming.
Rides these days, baby.
Rise these days.
Nice weather we're having.
How was it? Was it good? Good, Jacob? You liked it? You liked it?
That was so fun.
So fun, right?
Yeah.
We are now on the People Mover. What do you guys think about the People Mover? So basically, you're gonna be going around Tomorrowland.
Oh.
Yeah, isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah, it's my favorite ride because you get to sit.
So you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. All right, we're heading back to the hotel for a little break. You gonna jump in the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope it's not cold like you guys.
No, it shouldn't be cold. Like our pool was super cold, right? But I think this one will be pretty warm because it's Disney water, right? It's magic water.
I can see that.
You can see that? All jokes aside, we are exhausted. We are back at the resort now, and all the animals are out on the, what is it called? The savannah?
Yeah, Savannah.
On the savannah.
Crikey.
Crikey.
And everyone, today we're looking at all the wildlife today. Crikey.
Are you tired, sir? You're tired every time I come to Disney World.
I know,
That
Disney
is
just
not a
wears-
surprise to me.
It wears me out.
Alright guys, we are now back at the hotel. We are getting a little rest and then we're probably going to head back to Magic Kingdom tonight. However, I think I'm going to end the vlog right here. I'm going to edit it and then I'll post it for you guys to be able to watch tomorrow or probably today because you guys are watching it now, right? Does that make sense? If it's your first time watching my channel, make sure you subscribe down below, turn on the bell for post notifications, and as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Did you guys have a great time today?
I did.
Spectacular.
Spectacular.
Top notch, grade A, 5 stars on Yelp review.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.